I've got a little bit of a predicament. So I leave for ABR in 3 hours, and I have not had time to pack or anything like that. I am so behind schedule. I'm currently on my lunch break. Today I'm working from home and I'm currently on my lunch break and it's a disaster. This one was completely my fault. So I got up this morning and I went and dropped off my goodie bags with a company that works in Wales, so they're going to drive those down. But the other situation that I'm currently having is basically I don't have luggage for the new bike, and it completely slipped my mind, so I don't really know how I'm going to get everything on the bike. Cooker. Gas is always nice. Have I got a full one? These sound... Okay, this one. These are an absolute must. T-minus 1 hour. Camping gas. Where's my sleeping? Right, to the shed. To the shed. Here we go. Here is my camping mat. Right. I have it a little bit. Okay. So sleeping mattress, pillow, bucket for, this is so I can carry clean water over to my tent at night. So it's a foldable bucket. And we have a ground sheet. These are super useful for sleeping on the ground. We have some sunscreen, some hand wash, wipes, 2 packets of tissues, because you never know when the toilets run out. Let's see, some emergency lanyards, camping gas. I think that's about it. Maybe we put tent, some leaning away. Oh, the gas canisters. All of you people that say I overpacked, I present to you a sleeping bag and a bivy bag. I'm not sure about the safety of it. I mean, it seems fine. 5-minute packing. That is definitely going to come off there. I'm going to have to get some more straps on there. Done. I think it'll be fine.
Despite having absolutely no time to prepare for the festival, I was still determined to get there on time. However, of course folks, it's me, and so, well, that meant only one thing.
So my phone ran out of charge. I don't have a charger on my bike yet. Also, my wing mirror is not tight. And I'm gonna have to dig for a battery now. I'm like 20 minutes away, but I don't know the way. So annoying.
Do you know what? I kind of like the fact that I've strapped all of my luggage onto this new bike, and how things might fall off, and I'm trying very hard to ride safely just in case they do.
What are we getting? Ooh. Okay, alright, thank you! Oh, let's get my tent set up. This is quite a good spot.
I worked tirelessly to try and get my tent set up as fast as I could. However, sleep deprivation has a way of making you do things in the worst way possible. And so it actually took me 2 times to get my tent up and running before I was ready to run over to the festival. Almost an hour later and I'd finally set up my tent and my sleeping bag and my air mattress and everything that I might need for the festival. However, I was running incredibly late and it was just before midnight this time. In order to save time, I thought that it would be easier to jump over the wall and run towards the festival than it would be to walk back to the road and round. However, I later realised that the reason that this area was fenced off is because it was an island of nettles. And so I continued to waddle through the nettles as fast as I could towards the screens in hopes that I might catch at least one song that evening.
Is this a fence? Oh no, do I get How do I get? Oh my god. How do I get? Oh no. Right, maybe you walk around. The show is finishing and I'm stuck in a field. Where am I? So, I may have arrived as the last song was playing. I'm very late. Oh dear.
This one was completely my fault.